Hello everybody, my name is Giles Gaskell. I'm with WenzelAmerica. WenzelAmerica is the North American distributor for the Wenzel Group, which is based in Germany. So the Wenzel Group is one of the largest and most influential metrology companies in the world. Based in Germany, they've been in business since 1968, and they produce a range of metrology solutions based on the CMM machine, based on optical high-speed scanning for specialist operations, and also computed tomography, which is using X-rays. And those are the three specialties of the company. So one of the three specialties of the Wenzel Group is computed tomography. So this is what we call in a medical environment CT scanning. People go for a CAT scan. It's the same thing, only we use industrial products measured in an industrial machine, such as this one. This is one of the smallest CT scanning machines that is available anywhere in the world, and it does a variety of different small products. What it does is it enables you to see right into the very heart of a product, so you can measure the outside but also the inside. Here's a good example of how this technology can be used. So I have here a Tylenol button. Is it there we go, allergy relief medicine. Okay, now the people who make these are very interested in whether they're going to leak or not, and how well the caps seal and so on. So you can do a single scan of this, and on the screen here you can see that we have the scan of the bottle itself, but we also have the ability to go inside it. All right, so if I slide this cross section up and down the part, you can see, look there, we've got the bubbles and the seal and a detailed cross section of the bottle that we can go up and down inside. Isn't that phenomenal? And you can do this for all types of products. This is probably the future of measuring industrial products. Another of the specialties of the Wenzel Group is optical high-speed scanning. Now, this machine here is measuring this part just like a coordinate measuring machine would measure it, except it's doing it without touching the part, and it's doing it at a much higher speed because of the rotary table and the very fast axes that are being moved. But the thing that's really interesting and really unique about this product is that, as you can see, it's measuring a highly polished part optically. This is very unusual. It's possible that optical systems can measure what you might call shiny parts, but not actually polished parts. Now, this machine is so impervious to shininess that it will measure a wine glass. And if you put your thumbprint on the wine glass, it will measure the thickness of the thumbprint on the wine glass. And this is a Wenzel specialty product which no other system can do. The traditional products of the Wenzel Group since it started in 1968 has been CMM machines, coordinate measuring machines, based on a granite structure. So the thing about Wenzel CMM machines is that they make very heavy, extensive use of granite because it's such a stable material for that type of application. Some people would say that after 4 billion years under the ground, it's done all the stress relieving it's ever going to do, and that's why it's a fantastic, stable material to use in this type of application. Now, this particular machine is a new machine for the launched at the IMTS show, It's called the SF87. SF stands for shop floor. So this machine is intended not to be used in a lab, but to be used on the shop floor in a dirty, difficult environment. It doesn't need compressed air, it just needs electrical power. It can take a considerable amount of dirt in the environment, probably the greatest thing that it has going for it is that it doesn't take up a lot of space. So this machine here at this time is fitted with an optical scanner. It could be, and most probably usually would be, fitted with a touch probe. The volume of this machine, that is to say the volume that can be measured, is 800 by 700 by 700 millimeters, which is absolutely huge for a machine that's barely bigger than that as a footprint. And what this means is that you can put multiple machines in the space that you would normally be able to put a big machine. You can measure big parts with it, and you can measure them in a shop floor environment. And that's really what everybody wants right now, is to be able to do that. If you've enjoyed seeing the machines on display at IMTS from Wenzel Group, or you're interested in knowing more, or you have any further questions, you can contact us through our website, which is www.WenzelAmerica.com.